Let's learn decimal representation of rational numbers. If we use decimal fractions while dividing the numerator of a rational number by its denominator, we get the decimal representation of a rational number. For example, 7 upon 4 is equal to 1.75. In this case, after dividing 7 by 4, the remainder is 0. Hence, the process of division ends. Such a decimal form of a rational number is called a terminating decimal form. We know that every rational number can be written in a non-terminating recurring decimal form. For example, first, 7 upon 6 is equal to 1.1666 is equal to 1.16 recurring. Second, 5 upon 6 is equal to 0.8333 is equal to 0.83 recurring. Third, minus 5 upon 3 is equal to minus 1.666 is equal to minus 1.6 recurring. Fourth, 22 upon 7 is equal to 3.142857 142857 is equal to 3.142857 recurring. Fifth, 23 upon 99 is equal to 0.2323 is equal to 0.23 recurring. Similarly, a terminating decimal form can be written as a non-terminating recurring decimal form. For example, 7 upon 4 is equal to 1.75 is equal to 1.75000 is equal to 1.750 recurring.